I know it's getting kind of dark, but the reason I don't talk about that BRS Select anymore is because I had to sell it to be able to afford this one. So I was ready to use and abuse that Select, but this guy popped up and I had a chance to grab it. So what you see right here in front of you is a Matt Cook and Rotten BRS Replicant. It's just a standard replicant, but the scales were done by Matt Cook, and the blade. Let's see if I can get that blade. Excuse me. The blade was done by Rotten. Yeah. So there was a time when this knife was changing hands like 8 times in a year. It had a lot of Instagram clout going on with it, but I think the main reason people were selling it was it flips, but it doesn't flip like a replicant. It's a beautiful knife, and I think that's where it's going to be standing, as a beautiful knife. So yeah. Let's see if I can get that. Now I talked to the original owner of this knife, and he got the scales by Matt Cook, but when he went to fit them, I guess they didn't fit very well, and he sent them to Rotten to get them fixed. And while they were at Rotten, they got anodized this color, and he polished up all the hardware, and of course he worked his magic on this blade. So yeah, it's actually my most beautiful knife too.